Could you use an extra $100 a day? An extra $700 a week? $100 a day means your weekly food bill is covered in just one day. Your weekly or monthly gas expenses are handled with another day. Well, depending on what kind of car you drive. Your weekly or bi-weekly entertainment budget also taken care of in just 24 hours. Most importantly, and our main goal around here, with one day you can generate income to help you generate more income. Hi everyone. Welcome to Fund Your Luxury, where we talk about ways to fund the life you want to live and also show you ways others are experiencing living the luxury life. In this video, we're going to cover some basics of setting up a Google Ads account, creating effective ad campaigns, and optimizing your ads for maximum earnings. Google Ads is a powerful online advertising platform developed by Google that allows businesses and individuals to reach a wide audience and generate revenue through targeted advertising. The platform allows businesses and individuals to display ads on Google's search engine results pages, as well as on other websites and platforms that are part of the Google Display Network. Google Ads operates on a pay-per-click (PPC) model, where advertisers pay for each click on their ads. Advertisers can target their ads based on various factors, including keywords, demographics, location, and interests, to reach a specific audience. Google Ads is a powerful tool to increase online visibility, generate traffic to a website, and ultimately, drive sales and revenue. Let's talk about setting up your Google Ads account. To do this, simply go to the Google Ads website and sign up for a new account. You'll be asked to provide some basic information, such as your name and business information. Once your account is set up, you'll be taken to the campaign creation page. Next is creating effective ad campaigns. The key to success with Google Ads is to target the right audience. This means understanding who your target market is and creating ads that speak directly to them. You can do this by using keywords, demographics, and other targeting options to reach the right people. Once you have your target audience in mind, it's important to create compelling ad copy and eye-catching ad creative. Your ad copy should be clear, concise, and to the point, and your ad creative should be visually appealing and attention-grabbing. This leads us to optimizing your ads for maximum earnings. One of the best ways to do this is to regularly monitor your ad performance and make adjustments as needed. This may include changing your targeting options, modifying your ad copy, or experimenting with different ad formats. Once your ad campaign is live, it's important to regularly monitor your ad performance and make adjustments as needed. This may include changing your targeting options, modifying your ad copy, or experimenting with different ad formats. To make $100 a day with Google Ads, you'll need to generate a significant amount of traffic to your ads. One way to do this is by increasing your daily budget. With a larger budget, you'll be able to reach more people and increase your chances of making a sale. Another key to success is to optimize your landing page. Your landing page should be designed to convert visitors into customers. This means including clear calls to action, highlighting your unique selling points and making the process of buying as simple as possible. By following these steps, being persistent and some additional research, you can maximize your earning potential with Google Ads and start generating revenue through targeted advertising. If your goal is to make $100 a day with Google Ads, it can be done. Remember, it takes time and effort to see results, but the rewards are well worth it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Be sure to visit my links below to help you with ways to continue funding your luxury life. See ya next time.